Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
We are only looking at contact change, right? Our integration only looks at contact change information. There is a contact change, so we are looking at contact change for. Yeah, let's take contact change. Okay. Worker D had a contact change on 15th of April with effect from 26th of April. Everything is done. They initiated the contact change process. About their personal or home email address. But they entered the same email address as their new address. But the contact change information process was initiated. The worker entered the new home email. Click on OK Submit. It went for approval. The process completed successfully. So there was an entry in the transaction log saying that the worker D had a contact change. Our integration looks for contact change. And this is the entry data effective. So, if you look at this, previously you said that this worker should be included in the output. Correct. That's what we had said. Because, of course, there is a change in the business process. Now, my question now is, even this new piece of information that you have, will this worker be included in the output or not? No. No. There was a change. I mean a business process, the transaction that happened. So there is an entry in the transaction log. The worker satisfies eligibility criteria. The worker satisfies the change. I mean as per the as of effective moment, last effective date, if all of that conditions are satisfied. But still, we are asked, I'm asking you this question. Will this worker be included in the output or not? And you said no? Now my question would be, why not? Because it hasn't changed. No, there is no chance, because we are looked and the system is looking for change data. But currently, whatever he has updated, that is same data. There is no change in the data, so that is 1. I mean yes for me. For you. Yes, it will be included. I will say it. Okay. But some of you think it is no. Right. Okay. Then look at this. This page one more time. Can you read the last sentence? If the worker has any changes in field values or eligibility.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.